What's going on, guys, and welcome to a very special episode of 20th Century Revisited, a game I like to play, a game where we pick a decade at random in the 20th century and we do a trick from that decade. This week we're taking you to the 1990s. Now you might ask, what's so special about this episode? Well, I'm here to talk about my show, April 17th. April 17th in Salineville, Ohio. 100% of the proceeds go to Kids Helping Kids. So if you can make that show, that would be awesome. It's a show by donation. So pay a few bucks and come watch an awesome show. Now, we're back to the 1990s. In the 1990s, there was a lot of mentalism tricks. The World's Greatest Magic came out, and they had a mentalist on there named Max Maven. Max Maven had a lot of amazing tricks. Now I got to get you ready for this mentalism trick I'm about to do. I don't do very many mentalism tricks, but it was drawn, so let's do it. Okay, first, I need you to take your thumb and put it up like that. Now, you got to do exactly what I say. Now, I want you to point your finger out like that. Point your finger straight out. Now, take your thumb and finger and connect it together, kind of like an OK symbol. Okay, now I need you to take that OK symbol and stick it on your chin. That's your cheek. Your chin. Moving it there now ain't going to help you any. Okay, now on to Max Maven's main trick. That was only a joke. Max Maven's main trick. I need you to come close to your screen. And here in a minute, I'm going to have a list of animals. And I want you to pick one of those animals off this list. Okay, now that you have your animal, we got letters A, B, C, D, and E. Now, I want you to put your finger on whatever letter is in your animal's name. Now, if it has two letters in it, like an A and an E, the choice is yours. You pick the letter. Okay, you ready? You got your finger on there? Okay, keep your finger there. Because on the back of these papers, I got some more exotic animals, which will give you a new animal. Okay, your finger's still there? Okay. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to make a move from the left, either to the left or to the right. Now, if you're on the ends, you don't have much of a choice. You have to move inward. But in the middle, you can move to the left or the right. You ready? Make that move now. Okay. Now, you got your finger on it. I want you to make another move to the left or to the right. It don't matter which way you go, left or right. Make that move now. Okay, again. One more time, I want you to make a move to the left or to the right. And put your finger up and leave your finger there. Because I'm about to eliminate one. Well, a giraffe, that's a tall order. So, we're going to get rid of it. Okay. So, now I want you to make a move to the left or to the right. Put your finger on it now. Okay, make another move. Left or right. Put your finger on it now. And one final move before I eliminate. To the left or to the right. And put your finger on it. Keep your finger right there. Well, we know that the Yeti's impossible. So we're going to get rid of it. Now, this time, I'm going to only ask you to make one more move. Either to the left or to the right. Make your choice now. And I'm going to eliminate these two. Which leaves us with monkey. I'm not monkeying around, folks. I need people to come to my show April 17th, Salineville, Ohio. I want to thank Max Maven for an awesome trick. I hope I did it right. And Thank you.